Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our new stamp and colour kit. It's called Oriental. It is a really beautiful, fun, happy, wishing everyone luck, just gorgeous kit. So let's take a quick look at what's in the kit. So in the kit you're getting this stamp here which is called Lucky You. Got the gorgeous little Japanese girl as a dragon. We have got some cranes, that cute little cat. They're all just really cute stamps. That one's in the kit. And this one here is the die you're getting in the kit, which is a big one. So there's just a few little embellishments. It is called Oriental Screen. You can actually, these are embossed lines, so it can fold up if you want. You can leave it flat. And it's a cute little die in the kit. You have got some cute little Uniquely Creative pearls and a really sweet little pot of glitter. You've got the magazine, obviously, with lots of ideas and inspiration in there for you guys to do. You have got a sheet of watercolour cardstock, which is great for doing watercolour colouring, especially with our new markers. A couple of cards and envelopes, so you can make cards. Some cardstock, so we've got a couple of different sheets of cardstock here included. And these beautiful pattern papers. So they're all double-sided, gorgeous pattern papers that these are our obviously own exclusive designs. And they match this collection beautifully. So that's everything in the kit, which is like unbelievable value for $39, considering the stamp and die alone costs more than that. And let's have a look at the add-ons. So the first two add-ons I'm going to show you are the die, obviously you can get that matches the stamp in the kit. And the other die we have released to go with this collection is this beautiful Oriental fan. And again, it's got some cute little embossed lines on there. It's a really, really cute die. The other two stamps we have, this is the first one. It's called Good Times. It's got these beautiful flowers, some more cranes, and the gorgeous lanterns. Really beautiful. And you can have the matching fussy cutting die. And the last stamp we have is this one here, which is called Best Wishes, and it's got this gorgeous koi fish on there and some other little pondy things, which is really cute too, and obviously the die that goes with that. Let's take a quick look at some of the cards you can make. So there's the gorgeous little girl that comes in the kit with the lanterns. That's beautiful. More of those gorgeous lanterns. This is the die and the little girl that you're getting in the kit. Here's that koi. Isn't he stunning? A couple of the girls have coloured that. It's just amazing. Another gorgeous little girl. I think this is one of my favourite cards. This is with our clouds die. Isn't it just beautiful? There's those beautiful sweet little flowers. And our one of our doily dies, our doily elements dies. Mixing and matching. And there is that absolutely fantastic, stunning fan. I really like that fan. It says you're the sweetest. And a gorgeous little crane. Okay, let's have a quick look at a few more. Done with the dies and the papers. Beautiful colouring. There's that little dragon, love him. This is our crosshatch die. Good luck, good health and good cheer. Beautiful colouring. Flying by to say hello. That's from our flying by stamp set, that same. Another one of those fans. And there's the last koi. Okay, so don't forget when you are ordering your stamp and colour stuff, our unique colour markers are a fabulous accessory to have with all your stamp and colouring. They are great, really vibrant, rich in pigment watercolour markers with a real brush on the end. And we also have our blending blocks, which are perfect, as you can see the little lines on there that we have made for using as an acrylic palette as well as just a normal acrylic block. We also have our paper collection, which you can buy individually if you just want to buy the paper collection or have more papers. And that is everything for our last release in February. February has been a huge month. Our Urban Garden release, our markers release, our new little mini mark making stamps release, and this is the final release for February, which is this absolutely stunning Oriental kit. So thank you so much for watching, and you can pick these up from your retailer. They'll be releasing on the 20th of February and available from pre-order from the 15th. Thanks for watching guys. Visit www.uniquelycreative.com.au.